Good morning, boys and girls. So today for Monday, we are going to be talking about a couple different things. And as you look on the Monday's Google Classroom slides, we have, of course, the beginning slide, which is for the notes for parents and caregivers, which whoever you live with or whoever is taking care of you. And then, of course, as we go down here on the slides, we see that, it starts with the daily activities like we've been doing. It also shows the schedule. Now, some students have been confused with this. They're saying, do we have to do anything? What is this for? It's really just showing you exactly what we're going to be doing today. So really, there's nothing to do on this page. It's just showing what the schedule is for today, which it shows for 15 minutes you're going to read to yourself. Then we're going to be talking about something called haikus. That's like a type of poem. And then you get a break, and then you are going to do learning A through Z. So that's about it. And then for science today, we're going to be talking about introduction to our weather tracking. We're going to be talking a lot about weather these next couple weeks. We're going to be tracking the weather around our area, which is South Bend, and I'm going to show you how to write in a weather log. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down. We have, of course, these 3 videos that we normally have every day, but they're always different, usually every day, every other day. But today is letter sounds, which we usually always have because this one is really, really, really important. Okay, it helps us read better and sound out words better, and it's just a very helpful tool. So don't forget to listen and repeat to this one right here. Then we're going to be talking about vowel sounds because we know that vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, have 2 different types of sounds. They can either sound like a short sound or a long sound. So go ahead and listen to that one. And then we have digraphs. So we talked a little bit about digraphs last week, and we know that digraphs sometimes are in words. They're 2 letters that when they're together, make a certain sound. So go ahead and watch that as well. Then if we go to the next one, we're going to be reading for 15 minutes. It says in the directions that you can choose from Epic. You can choose to do Learning A through Z, which is the robot app on Clever. You can read a book at home if you have books at home, or you can read your library books if you have library books with you. You always know to start the timer, to start timing your 15 minutes, and when it dings or it rings, that means you're done. All right, now we're going to be talking about haikus. Haikus are really, really neat poems. I like them because they're really simple and really short and really neat. Okay, everybody's haikus are different. So haikus, the haiku poem, was created in Japan. And if you look at this map over here, Japan is way over here. I circled it for you. And where we live, South Bend, is way over here. So it's pretty much on the opposite side of the world. It's pretty far away. So it was created in Japan. Things that a haiku poem has, so a haiku poem consists of 3 lines. So it has 3 different lines. The first and the last line of a haiku has 5 syllables. So the first one right here has 5 syllables, and the last one has 5 syllables. And the middle line has 7 syllables, so 7 right here. And the lines, they rarely rhyme, which means that they usually don't rhyme. In poems, sometimes we hear roses are red, violets are blue, right? We hear, take me to the park, I promise I won't leave a mark, right? We always hear poems that rhyme. Well, haikus usually don't rhyme. If they rhyme, great. If they don't, they usually don't. So they're just saying it's okay if they're not rhyming. All right, for an example, here is a haiku that somebody wrote. So this line right here is supposed to be 5 syllables. This one is 7 and this one is 5. Remember, because haikus have 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. The first one has 5 syllables, so let's count. Let's count and see if this first line has 5 syllables. Ready? Purple. popsicle. 5. Okay, now the next one is supposed to be 7. Remember, 5, 7, 5. 5, 7, 5. You're the coolest summer treat. 7. Yes. Now the last one is supposed to be 5. 5, 7, 5. I love every drop. 5. So that is a haiku. Okay. Now this one is called snow. And of course, again, this line has to be 5 syllables. The next one has to be 7 syllables. And the last one has to be 5. So let's see if it is. High on a mountain top. Oh, not a mountain top. High on mountain top. That's 5. I thought it said high on a. Nope, high on mountain top. 7 for the next one. Hippo watches snow flakes dance. 7. Okay, then that last one is supposed to be 5. Winter has begun. 5. It has 3 lines and it has 5 syllables for the first one, 2 syllables for the second one, and the third line has 5 syllables. It is correct. It is a haiku. So last example, this one is called flowers. It looks like it has 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And now let's see if each line has the right amount of syllables. So this one is supposed to be 5. My garden is full. Yes. Now let's do the second line. It's supposed to have 7 syllables. The red flowers look pretty. 7. Last one is supposed to be 5 syllables. Mom will get one now. 5 syllables. So it is a haiku as well. Very nice. And of course, if you forgot what a syllable is, you already saw me figure out the syllables and how many syllables were in each word. But if you forgot what a syllable is, you can go ahead and watch this video down below and you can learn just a little bit more about syllables or refresh your memory about them, okay? This one is very helpful. All right, of course you get a break time, after the haiku and syllable work. And then last is learning A through Z. And you already know, here is the directions. You go to Clever, you click on the robot, and you click this timer for 20 minutes. That will start your learning A through Z time. All right, after this will be signs, but for right now, I'm just going to talk about this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, these directions, and this is what you do every day. All you do is just follow the slides on the left, read the directions, and if you need help reading directions, ask a parent, ask an adult to help you read. If I am on Google Meet, you can always ask me questions. I will be more than happy to help. So, all right, guys, see ya. Bye.